Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's all been leading to this. CEO, Charlie Dalton.
Well, I wasn't going to catch a bus, was I? My esteemed guests, tonight Phalanx show you, through our investigations into the Nemesis asset, the bright future it has created. Tonight we advance onwards, and I, John Dalton, as CEO of Phalanx, promise you, and all of you watching around the world, a truly explosive celebration. Who knows who has the power here? Ladies and gentlemen, let the Phalanx Expo begin! It's been quite the journey to get here. So before we go forward, let's look back on what we and the Nemesis asset have shared on the road that led us to tonight.
In 1994, Alton Towers was disturbed by an interdimensional alien being, Nemesis. Phalanx troops secured the beast, and all came to witness her might.
Y'all ready for this? Nemesis is closed.
After 30 years of secure observation, Nemesis began mutating at a rapid pace. Phalanx scientists from across the globe sought to understand her, learn from her, and ensure her survival. And in 2024, Nemesis was reborn. Working together to ensure the future of planet Earth.
How far we've come. After years of our painstaking research, years in which you put your trust in Phalanx, the time has come to showcase our results. Nemesis asset showed the world that alien life exists, and now we sit on the precipice of destruction. Planet Earth must stand ready against a volatile universe. Tonight, the Phalanx Expo send a message to the cosmos. Earth is defended. Protection against alien life, made from alien life. Let me show you the future. As Phalanx introduces the Intergalactic Defense Program. Presenting Protocol 1, Light, Speed, Distance.
Spacecraft advancing to current position at 370,000 miles per hour.
Set no alarms. It's time to get them off.
Presenting Protocol 2. Disintegration beam.
Spacecraft breaching Earth atmosphere.
What is that?
We've got a problem. Something on the
This
radar.
doesn't stop.
Load Protocol 3. Bioshield.
There's a place I go. It's a different high. Oh no. When you touch me, I get on my own. In a different light.
Transmission from spacecraft. Translation in progress.
Ladies and
We
gentlemen.
need to stop.
Translation in progress.
Bring our attention back to the presentation.
Translation complete. Message reads: Phalanx, prepare for annihilation.
Civilians, stay where you are. I guarantee Phalanx will protect you every step of the way. All Phalanx troops to battle formations.
Alert, alert. Battle protocol initiated. All
proudly unveil tonight's grand finale. Our secret weapon, an alien creature born of destruction. Her potential harnessed by Phalanx. The time is now. Activate the ultimate weapon. Nemesis!
Neutralized.
Ladies and gentlemen, I said tonight would be explosive. And we showed E.T. who's boss. Here, at the Phalanx Expo, you witness the future. And from tonight, Phalanx will advance onwards into the universe to protect, to conquer. With Nemesis by our side, we will rise like a phoenix together. I am Phalanx. You are Phalanx. The future is Phalanx!
New Ride Hunt 2025.